Today's video is a quick tip video, and it's one of those little known secrets about your dryer. Did you know that you could switch the door from opening from left to right to left in just a matter of a few minutes? And this could make running your laundry room go a lot smoother. So let's get started. Well, first we open the dryer door, and it reveals 4 screws that hold the hinges to the dryer. So let's do that first. Now we're just going to simply lift up the door and set it aside. Now that the dryer door is removed, we just have to remove a few fasteners before we make the switch. This right here is our latch. Let's remove that because we're going to need to switch that to the other side. Now on the other side of the dryer door is a cover plate. We need to remove that because that's where we're going to reinstall the latch. Now I've got the dryer door here. It's time to remove the hinges. Now once the hinges are removed, there's just one last thing that needs to be done. And that is we need to remove the skin that covers the dryer door. Now to do that, there are a couple screws that need to be removed, and then we'll just flip it. Now that the screws are removed, we just separate the door and flip it. Now once you have all your hardware reinstalled, it's time to attach the door to your desired side. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.